Japan boasts a remarkable blend of dynamic cityscapes and serene landscapes, all within a single country. In just 4 days, you can experience Tokyo's vibrant energy, Kyoto's timeless beauty, Osaka's culinary delights, and Nara's tranquil charm. Are you ready to embark on an itinerary that captures the essence of Japan? From bustling streets and historic temples to scenic parks and vibrant neighborhoods, this journey will offer a comprehensive glimpse into what makes Japan truly special. Join us as we explore this incredible country and discover an adventure that promises to be both exhilarating and enriching. Day 1. Tokyo. Begin your Tokyo adventure at Shibuya Crossing, the iconic pedestrian scramble where hundreds of people cross from all directions, showcasing Tokyo's dynamic and fast-paced urban life. Nearby, the Hachiko statue honors a loyal Akita dog who waited daily for his owner at Shibuya Station, even after his owner's death, a touching symbol of fidelity and a popular photo spot. Next, explore Asakusa and visit Senso-ji Temple, Tokyo's oldest Buddhist temple. The approach to the temple is lined with Nakamai Street, a bustling shopping street offering traditional snacks, souvenirs, and crafts. This vibrant street provides a striking contrast to Tokyo's modern districts, highlighting the city's rich cultural heritage. In the afternoon, head to Akihabara, Tokyo's electronics and anime hub. Known for its vast array of tech gadgets, manga, and anime merchandise, Akihabara is a paradise for fans of Japanese pop culture and technology. As evening approaches, visit Shinjuku's Omoide Yokocho, also known as Memory Lane. This quaint alley is filled with traditional izakayas, or Japanese pubs, where you can savor local dishes and drinks, making it the perfect spot to conclude your first day in Tokyo. Expect to spend between $10 to $20 on transport, $30 to $50 on meals, and $15 to $30 on attractions. Day 2. Kyoto. Begin your second day in Kyoto, starting with a visit to the renowned Fushimi Inari Shrine. Famous for its thousands of vibrant red torii gates, this iconic shrine creates a mesmerizing tunnel up the mountain. Walking through this enchanting path provides a unique sense of serenity and spiritual connection, highlighting Kyoto's sacred heritage. Next, head to the Arashiyama Bamboo Grove, one of Kyoto's most picturesque locations. Stroll among towering bamboo stalks, swaying gently in the breeze, creating a tranquil and ethereal atmosphere. Adjacent to the bamboo grove, the Itinerary Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, features beautiful gardens and traditional Zen architecture. It's an ideal spot to enjoy the peaceful surroundings and reflect on nature's beauty. In the afternoon, explore the Gion district, Kyoto's historic geisha quarter. Wander through its narrow streets, lined with traditional wooden machiya houses, tea houses, and boutique shops. Gion is known for its association with geisha and maiko, apprentice geisha, and you might spot these elegantly dressed women en route to appointments. This area offers a charming contrast to Tokyo's modernity and a glimpse into Kyoto's cultural heritage. Conclude your day with a visit to Kiyomizu-dera Temple. Perched on a hillside, it provides stunning panoramic views of Kyoto, especially enchanting at sunset. For transport, expect to spend $15 to $25 with a Kyoto City bus and metro pass. Meals will cost between $30 to $50, and entrance fees for attractions might total $15 to $30. Day 3. Osaka. Start your day in Osaka with a visit to Osaka Castle, one of Japan's most famous landmarks. This historic fortress, with its impressive architecture and picturesque surroundings, offers insights into the city's samurai history. Explore the castle grounds and the museum inside, to learn about its historical significance and enjoy panoramic views of the city from the top. After exploring the castle, head to Dotonbori, Osaka's vibrant entertainment district known for its bustling atmosphere and mouth-watering street food. As you wander along the canal, you'll encounter colorful neon signs and enormous, eye-catching billboards, including the iconic Glyco Man. Dotonbori is famous for its diverse food offerings, including takoyaki, or octopus balls, and okonomiyaki, or savory pancakes, which you can savor from one of the many street vendors and eateries. In the afternoon, immerse yourself in the fun and excitement of Universal Studios Japan. This theme park features a range of attractions, from thrilling rides to immersive themed zones based on popular movies and characters. Whether you're a fan of Harry Potter, Jurassic Park, or Minions, there's something for everyone to enjoy. As evening approaches, make your way to the Umeda Sky Building, an architectural marvel that offers breathtaking views of Osaka from its floating garden observatory. The observation deck provides a stunning panoramic view of the cityscape, especially beautiful as the lights come on at dusk. It's the perfect spot to relax and reflect on a day filled with adventure and discovery in Osaka. Day 4. Nara. On your final day, explore Nara, Japan's ancient capital, and a serene escape from the bustling cities. Start at Nara Park, a vast green space where over 1,000 free-roaming deer make their home. These gentle creatures, believed to be messengers of the gods, add a unique charm to the park. Enjoy interacting with them as you soak in the peaceful surroundings. Next, visit Senso-ji Temple, one of Japan's most significant temples. The temple houses the Great Buddha, a towering bronze statue standing over 15 meters tall. The grandeur of Senso-ji and the imposing Buddha statue offer a profound sense of awe. In the early afternoon, head to Kasuga Taisha Shrine, renowned for its beautiful lanterns and lush, forested setting. Dedicated to the deity of the Fujiwara clan, the shrine features hundreds of stone and bronze lanterns that create a magical atmosphere. Stroll through the tranquil paths and experience the serene ambiance. Finish your day by exploring Naramachi, Nara's preserved historic district. Wander through charming streets lined with old merchant houses, quaint shops, and cozy cafes. In the evening, return to Tokyo, reflecting on your memorable journey through Japan's rich cultural tapestry. Japan's blend of modern vibrancy and ancient tradition offers an unforgettable travel experience. From Tokyo's bustling streets and Kyoto's timeless temples to Osaka's culinary delights and Nara's serene parks, this 4-day itinerary captures the essence of this fascinating country. We hope you enjoyed this guide and are inspired to embark on your own Japanese adventure. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow travelers, and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and itineraries. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.